I chose psychology because I'm already working quite a lot one-on-one in the fitness industry. So to get the extra knowledge to actually do that well, psychology just seemed like a natural progression.
Psychology is not just about mental health. A lot of the services that psychologists and other related professionals can provide are geared towards helping people, improve their work performance, improve their study performance, or even just help people, live their lives in a much more enjoyable way. Griffith offers a range of degrees in psychology. We have the Bachelor of Counselling degree, we have the Bachelor of Psychology with Honours, and we've also got a Bachelor of Psychological Science. And with that degree, you can study a whole range of double degrees, including law, exercise science, criminology and criminal justice, as well as business and commerce.
The best thing about my degree is the knowledge that I get daily that I can apply straight away. So I find that I can walk directly out of a lecture or a tutorial, and the information that I'm getting is directly relevant in almost every aspect of my relationships.
We are actually the only School of Applied Psychology in Australia, and I think that really sets us apart from other universities because we have a very strong emphasis on the applied skills, and that really makes our graduates work ready when they enter the workforce.
I've found in particular the lecturers to be exceptional. It's obvious that the people that are taking the lectures are very, very experienced and very knowledgeable within their fields. To be able to come in and know that you're getting so much more than what is on your notes, the life experience that they're able to provide and all the stories that they tell at the same time makes the whole process a pleasure. Dive in, get involved. It's a wonderful experience to be coming and getting new knowledge. Getting engaged in a degree at university is a wonderful way of bringing yourself up to speed.